Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you the difference between Workspace folder and temporary outputs in Claude Cowork. So as I said in this video, I will show you the difference between a Workspace folder and temporary outputs in Claude Cowork. So in order to do it, as you can see right now I am in the Cloud desktop application. We will switch into Cowork because we will use this mode in this video, and I will try to clarify you the difference. So first of all, we will connect into the folder on our computer because I will try to save a file into a folder by using Claude AI, as I did in previous videos, for example. So I will click on work in the project, choose a folder, and now I will go into documents, click on demo, and I will select for the Y demo because this is my folder that I created for this video. Of course we have to allow it because we won't allow Claude to change files in this path. We want it because I will create the files in this folder. And now we have two options. First of all, we can ask AI to save a file inside of this folder, basically create a file and save it inside of this folder. But we can also ask AI to create a file but not save it into this folder, and it is what we call a temporary output. So first of all, I will do something what I did in the previous videos. I will ask it to create a file with the txt extension and save it inside of this folder. I will show you that it is working. As you can see, for now this folder is empty. I can refresh that. It is still empty, so this is how it works. And now I will create something like this. So write me, or maybe not write, but create a file.txt that contains numbers from 1 to 10 and save it into a connected folder. If I will press enter, this is something what I called in the intro workspace folder. I will press enter, and as you can see, the AI model is thinking. Done. The file has been created and saved to your connected folder. And as you can see, if I will go into it, here is the file. I can open it, and we have the numbers from 1 to 10. So everything went fine. But as you can see, we have the folder, I mean not folder, but the file inside of the folder demo that is connected here. And this is what we asked basically. We have also it here. So we have the file.txt, we have instructions. This is an empty file. This is basically what I ask AI here. But now we can do something different. Even though we are connected into this folder, we can actually ask AI to not save it into this folder and store it only inside of this application temporarily in this current session of our model. So I can do something like this. So generate, or maybe I will do the same. So create a file to.txt this time that contains numbers from maybe this time 1 to 5 to make it a little bit different, but don't save it into connected folder. Now I can click on that button in order to make it work. As you can see, AI is working on it. It is thinking. Done. File 2.txt has been created with numbers from 1 to 5 in my temporary working folder. So as you can see, we are using temporary working folder, not this that is connected to us. It has not been saved to your connected folder documents/demo. Note that since it is in a temporary location, it won't persist after this session ends. So this is what I talked about. If I will open this folder right now and I will refresh it, as you can see, I don't have it here. But it is inside of our basically temporary location. And as you can see, this is why we don't have it here, because this is our demo folder, and this file 2.txt is only in temporary working folder that only AI sees. And this is basically the difference between the workspace folder and the temporary outputs with the files that you can do in Claude AI. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.